Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Corpse Bride collection from Makeup Revolution. When I saw this, my teenage self screamed. I still love the Corpse Bride. I was the Corpse Bride last year for Halloween. I thought it would be funny because one, I've always wanted to be her, but two, I was supposed to get married and we had to push our wedding twice, which I completely understand. It worked out great in the end, but I was just like, well, can't be a bride yet, so I'm just gonna be a dead one. But it turned out really fun. I'll insert some clips of my costume, and this collection definitely would have helped out if I had it last year. I love the packaging the most. I ended up getting the Newlyweds palette and the one with the butterfly on it. So far what I think of these palettes are, I feel like you're buying it for what it is, the Corpse Bride. The mattes, some of them great pigmentation, and some it's like the second you put it on and you try to blend it out, it's a little transparent, a little hard to work with. I was able to get them to work, but that's just something to note when you're thinking of buying this collection. I definitely wanted the hand mirror from the collection, but it sold out too fast, so hopefully it'll pop up again. But a lot of the metallics are really good, and like I said, some of the mattes are pretty decently pigmented, like the shade Emily and Hopscotch and Liberation and Beautiful. A lot of like the purples and like pinks and blues are really pigmented, where the lighter shades do lack the pigmentation, but at the same time, like, not everyone wants a really purple eye, so that is nice that you can build it up. I decided to do a look that I feel like Emily would have worn before she died. So the makeup she would have worn to her wedding, and then she died, and now she's stuck with it for all eternity. I think it turned out really cute. I did like a soft, like lilac, silvery eye with her like signature peachy pink lip. setting my face with Melanie Mills Hollywood Super Light Long Lasting Setting Spray. This stuff will keep your makeup on all day. I saw it like go viral online, so I ended up buying it for my wedding, and I, no joke, never had a top drop once besides some face powder after dancing at my wedding. So this stuff definitely works, and this would be perfect for Emily because she dies and then her makeup would stay on much longer than you would anticipate. I think this look turned out really cute. Definitely will keep playing with these palettes, especially as spooky season gets further into the season. I like it because it helps me like play with color more, which I have been trying to get into more. But I just got these at the Dollar Tree and I clipped them in my hair, and I wore them last year as part of my costume, and they're super cute. Like, can I just walk around like this all the time? It's very like Midsummer vibes, if you've seen that movie. That's a very terrifying, uncomfortable movie, if you know what I mean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye!